if you guys have been back from the last video, I just shot that one and I started the other one because I have to make 2 parts of it, otherwise it would be too long. Thank you for coming back for the next part. If you're new here, hi, I'm Gia. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. And if you already are, thank you so much for coming back and showing me so much love every single time. I already showed you what all I got from my apartment and how my apartment looks in the last video. If you haven't seen it, please check it out. And now today we're gonna open up some things, start setting up some things, and I'm gonna put you on time lapse. Little update. I got all of my kitchenware out of the packaging, like all of the things that I need there. I'm gonna set up the kitchen, so let's do this. note, I'm shooting this clip after I've edited the whole video and I've realized that I'm missing something. This video is literally going to be just about me putting stuff in its place, constructing stuff, or putting my dressing table together, my side table together and stuff like that. It's not going to be a more like talking video, since last one I talked so much. It's just me setting up my apartment. To me, it looks really satisfying. I don't know about you, but you can tell me in the comment section. If you watched this video till the end, that was me doing at least all of the work that I could record. There were things that I didn't record doing because I was looking so bad in it that I couldn't show you guys that. But my apartment is all set up. It is amazing. It looks really aesthetic and I achieved what I wanted to with really less furniture and without spending much money. I am going to give you an apartment tour on the next video, which is going to be part 3 of about my New York apartment or whatever. Last part. It's not going to be about that after that. But yeah. So if you like this, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Do whatever you want to show me your love because it would mean the world to me. And I'll see you guys super soon next week with my next video and show you how my apartment looks. I'm so excited. See you. Love you.